Welcome to the channel where pocket change could make you a millionaire. If you've got old coins lying around, like rare Bicentennial US coins or those mysterious 2000 French 5 euro cent pieces, you might be sitting on a gold mine. In this video, we're diving into the jaw-dropping world of rare coins that have sold for thousands, even millions of dollars. Don't blink, you could be one coin away from fortune. Let's unlock the hidden treasure in your hands. In the thrilling world of numismatics, certain rare coins carry not just historical value, but unimaginable wealth potential. Among these hidden treasures are the elusive Bicentennial rare coins and the fascinating 2000 French 5 euro cent coins, with unique features. These coins, often overlooked in the corners of drawers or forgotten coin jars, could actually be the keys to overnight fortune. Some pieces, due to rare minting errors or limited release, are now considered holy grails by collectors. Their value doesn't just rest in the metal, but in their story, their scarcity, and the growing frenzy of collectors vying to own a piece of financial and historical gold. Let's start with the French 5 euro cent coins from the year 2000. First glance, they might look like standard pocket change, but there are versions of this coin that are far from ordinary. Some of these coins were struck with minting errors, including misaligned designs or double imprints, and a handful even feature a rare superimposed denomination error, where the value appears more than once or overlaps awkwardly. These production anomalies make them incredibly desirable to collectors, driving their value into the thousands depending on condition, provenance, and rarity. These aren't just coins, they're miniature works of flawed art that became priceless by mistake. Moving across the Atlantic, the United States Bicentennial coins, released in 1976 to commemorate 200 years of American independence, have cemented their place in the pantheon of valuable collectibles. These include special quarters, half dollars, and silver dollars bearing the dual date 1776-1976. While many of these coins were minted in large numbers for circulation, a select few were made with special features, silver content, proof finishes, or extremely low mintage. Even rarer are the prototype or error versions, which fetch astonishing figures in auctions, sometimes reaching millions of dollars. The key here is rarity. When only a few examples of a certain strike exist, the price soars. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of these coins is that many people unknowingly own them. Forgotten in inherited collections or mixed in with regular change, these coins often sit hidden in plain sight. Imagine casually flipping through an old roll of quarters and uncovering a pristine Bicentennial quarter with a rare minting error. That discovery alone could be worth tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's a fortune waiting to be found, one that requires only a sharp eye and a bit of numismatic knowledge to unlock. The excitement doesn't stop there. Some of the most valuable Bicentennial coins are struck in 40% silver, originally sold in collector's sets. These silver variants weren't released for general circulation, and were often tucked away by their original buyers. Over time, with fewer of them surviving in top condition, their value skyrocketed. Especially pristine examples, graded highly by professional services like PCGS or NGC, can command astronomical prices. These are not just coins, they are tangible investments, solid assets with historical glamour and financial punch. What gives these coins their explosive market appeal is the combination of patriotism, rarity, and error-based intrigue. In the world of collectibles, error coins, those with misprints, double dies, or off-center strikes, are like diamonds in the rough. They shouldn't exist, but they do, and that makes them magical to collectors. A Bicentennial quarter with a double die obverse, for instance, could be worth more than your car. A French 5-cent coin with overlapping values could outpace your entire savings account. That's coin very rare and valuable coin. There's also a psychological thrill to collecting these coins. It's the hunt, the suspense, the whisper of what if as you sift through old jars or flea market finds. You don't need to be a professional collector to strike gold. People have found valuable coins in supermarket change or pocketed them unknowingly decades ago. The most valuable discoveries often come from the least expected places. And once found, their value is not just financial, it's emotional. A link between past and present, between ordinary life and extraordinary luck. Owning one of these rare coins doesn't just mean you have something valuable, it means you hold a slice of history, a flawed masterpiece, a relic with a story. Whether it's a French euro cent anomaly or a rare bicentennial coin, these pieces stir awe and curiosity. The world of coin collecting is filled with hidden treasures, and among the most captivating are rare bicentennial coins and select European pieces, like the elusive French 5 euro cent coins. While these may seem like ordinary currency to the untrained eye, some have fetched unbelievable prices due to unique minting errors, limited mintage, or historical significance. One example that has recently drawn attention is a rare French 5 euro cent coin from the early 2000s, which appears to feature a superimposed value, a minting anomaly that has collectors in a frenzy. These rare variants are not just relics of pocket change. They're gems that can turn your life around in an instant if discovered. Circulated coins rarely attract the spotlight unless they carry something unusual, and these French and American coins do just that. A typical French 5-cent coin is composed of copper-coated steel and meant for everyday transactions, but when errors such as value overlays, misaligned dies, or incorrect planchets occur, the result is a coin that collectors will pay thousands, sometimes more, for. In particular, coins where the numeric value appears doubled or shadowed due to faulty minting equipment have been known to soar in value. It's this element of unexpected uniqueness that can skyrocket a coin's worth, making it a tantalizing prospect for even casual collectors. Turning to the United States, the 1976 Bicentennial coins, minted to commemorate the 200th anniversary of American independence, hold a special place in the world of numismatics. The quarter, half-dollar, and dollar from this series all featured special reverse designs, depicting revolutionary symbols like the colonial drummer and the Liberty Bell. While millions were produced, some ultra-rare versions have surfaced over the years that contain dramatic errors or are struck on silver planchets not intended for circulation. These special examples, especially those in pristine condition or with verified errors, have sold for eye-watering amounts at auctions. Some, reaching into the millions. Collectors are especially drawn to the bicentennial coins for their historical relevance. They're not just currency, they are pieces of national pride, minted at a time when the United States was reflecting on its roots and celebrating its journey. This emotional value adds to their financial appeal, particularly when combined with rare errors like double dies, wrong metal compositions, or even proof coins that accidentally made it into general circulation. Owning one of these coins is like holding a piece of history, one that can command staggering bids from passionate collectors and investors. You might be shocked to learn that coins you've walked past, or even unknowingly used for small purchases, could be worth more than your car, or even your house. The key is knowing what to look for. Small anomalies, unusual coloring, doubled inscriptions, or even slight off-center strikes can mean the difference between a common coin and one worth 6 or 7 figures. People have uncovered life-changing fortunes in spare change jars, garage sales, and inherited coin collections. The thrilling part? These discoveries are still happening every day, and they could happen to you. The market for rare coins has never been more active, with collectors, dealers, and investors all scouring for high-value pieces. Auction houses are regularly breaking records as coins with rare features or pristine conditions command jaw-dropping prices. Even a coin once considered only for circulation can become a financial miracle if it meets the right criteria. Some collectors specifically hunt bicentennial coins with silver content or uncirculated sets, knowing that their rarity and historical value create a powerful combination that investors love. It's easy to overlook coins as mere change, but the stories they carry and the errors they sometimes hide can be worth a fortune. The sheer rarity of certain bicentennial coins and those like the French 5-cent anomalies make them a modern-day goldmine for the observant. With millions in potential, value hidden in plain sight, your coin jar could be the next treasure trove. That's why many collectors emphasize education. Learning what makes a coin valuable can be your first step toward uncovering a windfall. So before you spend that shiny quarter or toss that old foreign coin aside, take a closer look. History, rarity, and a little luck might just be on your side. If you happen to own a rare bicentennial piece or a French 5 euro cent with a minting error, you could be holding the key to unexpected wealth. Coins are more than metal. They're mystery, legacy, and occasionally, fortune all rolled into one small, powerful package. Keep your eyes open, because the next millionaire-making coin might be sitting right in your pocket. Would you like a checklist of coin errors to watch for? Thanks for watching our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.